Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO C75 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then use the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups. Hit send at the bottom left corner of POCO and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on POCO, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close the node and point your device's camera at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!